Hi guys, today we are asking, should you buy Corsair stock now? Welcome to Disruptive Wealth Creation. My name is Steve. This channel is for your entertainment. I'm not a financial advisor, and if you enjoy this channel, please give us a like, and if you want to see more content, please subscribe below. The question we are asking is whether Corsair stock is a good buy. Before we get into it, we need to have a look at the gaming market as a whole. Then look at Corsair, its products and financials, and then decide whether we think it is a good buy. So, how is the gaming industry doing as a whole? Well, Tom Weidman, Newzoo Market Games lead, said in an article in May of 2020, the world's 2.7 billion gamers will spend $159.3 billion on games in 2020, and the market will surpass $200 billion by 2023. If we look at some statistics, Newzoo found that in 2020 the global games market had year-on-year growth in mobiles, PCs, tablet games, browser PC games, smartphone games, box-downloaded PC games and console games, with a total coming in at $159.3 billion in 2020, with year-on-year growth of 9.3%, and the mobile games revenue coming in at $77.2 billion of the global market. Newzoo Global Games Market forecast that by 2023 the global games market will be worth $217.9 billion. That's a 9.4% increase. So now that we can see there is a future in gaming products, let's have a look at Corsair. In 1994, Andy Paul, Don Lieberman and John Beakley founded the company Corsair Microsystems Incorporated. Today they are commonly known as Corsair, and Andy Paul continues and remains the CEO of the company. The headquarters is in Fremont, California, USA, and they maintain a production facility in Taiwan for assembling, testing and packaging of select products which they distribute to centres in the USA along with Asia and Europe. The company IPO'd on the 23rd of September 2020, and their ticker symbol on Nasdaq is CRSR. The financial statements third quarter 2020 highlights showed net revenue was $457.1 million, an increase of 60.7% year over year. Gamer and creator peripherals segment net revenue was $161.6 million, an increase of 128.8% year over year. Gaming components and systems segment net value was $295.5 million, an increase of 38.3% year over year. If we look at the price of Corsair shares from IPO, it's hovering around the $40 mark. The market cap for the share is $3.70 billion, and the price earnings ratio is 35.36. It would be fair to say that the shares have benefited from the pandemic, the self-isolation providing more time and interest in gaming. So, what is the future for Corsair? There is no doubt Corsair is a leading global innovator, developer and provider of high-performance gear for gamers, content users and enthusiasts. Corsair delivers a full range of products that enable everyone from casual gamers to committed professionals to engage and perform at their very best. According to the gaming community, they have a great brand and a very good reputation. Corsair's strength comes from its partnerships and its ability to connect with gamers. For example, Corsair has partnered with Pipeline, a course-based education platform, to help streamers improve their quality and increase their views. Some gamers are turning their passion into a career. GamerSensi was acquired by Corsair. It is one of the top platforms for connecting gamers with coaches who help them improve their gameplay. Elgato, another product, focuses on streaming. The purpose of an Elgato capture card is to allow you to record or stream your gameplay from a console such as a PlayStation 4 or Xbox One to your PC, or from one PC to another. Another product is Epoch Cam, acquired by Corsair. It's an app where you can turn your phone into a webcam. So, is Corsair a good buy? The positives are that it made $103 million profit in 2020. It has a good solid base of popular gaming equipment and partners which is set to grow. Studies show that almost half of all consumer spending on games in PCs, consoles and mobiles came from China and the USA in 2020. But also we mustn't forget the emerging markets in Latin America and Asia Pacific. They are likely to see a growth in the future. Corsair has also managed to pay $190 million off its debt. However, despite paying off $190 million in debt in 2020, they still have a debt of over $300 million outstanding. And it will be interesting to see how things develop when the pandemic comes to an end. Also this year, Eagle Tree Capital, which had bought Corsair before the IPO for $525 million, sold 7.5 million shares. Are they likely to sell more shares? Do they know something we don't know? Well, on balance, I think Corsair are a good buy, and the gaming sector is likely to grow in the USA, China, Europe and Asia Pacific. Guys, do your own research and let me know in the comments below if you think Corsair is a good buy. If you have enjoyed this video, please give us a like, and if you'd like to see more content, remember to press the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.